Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to dig into 5 projects that I would invest in if I had $1,000 today. And this is requested from the Discord based on my previous video where I was like, if I had $1,000, these are the projects I would invest in. It's the same sort of video, but I was requested to do a high risk version of it. So this is my high risk, ultra high reward play for the next bull cycle if I had $1,000 to invest today. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so treat this as educational purposes only. I'm encouraging you to go into doing the research and not FOMOing into the project. None of this is paid endorsed. This is just purely being requested in our Discord. We don't do paid shills here at Cheeky Crypto. I want to dig into this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, but more importantly, let me know the 5 altcoins that you would invest in, high risk, high reward, if you had $1,000 to invest today. So let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start with Findora, and this is a project that I have been talking an awful lot about recently. It's one that I think is going to go on to do really well. It's around privacy, and I think privacy is something that's really important, and I've always kind of been a little bit on the fence when it comes to privacy, particularly in the last bear market, bull market. And my reasoning behind that was, look, it was privacy, like everything was private, basically don't go near it. And I just don't think that was going to be sort of adopted well by regulators and governments around the world, because they really need to be able to see certain things. And I just thought regulations would be bad for that. So I kind of been staying away from it. But the thing with Findora is you have the ability to unmask, you have control over your data, and I think this is a really important feature, and I think this is going to do really, really well. Obviously, it's kind of on the Ethereum chain, and I think that it's going to do really well. It's a layer 1. They're decentralized, privacy-preserving smart contracts. And they're building the next privacy DApp with world-leading zero-knowledge proof technology. So look, this is fantastic. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions on Findora. We have seen some price discovery since we've started really sort of talking about this one more. They've also been doing a lot of marketing. We had Sam on the channel, so do check out the podcast as well. It's up 22.38% at the time of recording at 0.004639, ranked 527th by market cap. The ticker is FRA. You can purchase this from the likes of Gate.io and KuCoin, I believe. So yeah, look, it's an interesting project, super early, which makes it high risk. That's the only reasoning behind it. I think that it's going to go on and it's going to do really well, but this is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. Go do your own research. Moving on to the second one. So, $200 goes into Findora. The next $200 is going to go into NewNet. So NewNet for me is, again, another fantastic project. It's kind of under the... it's under the Singularity ecosystem of projects. It's got a solid team. It's an all-around decentralization of computing power. They're building the next globally decentralized computing framework that combines latent computer power of independently owned compute devices across the globe into a dynamic marketplace of compute resources. And you get individual rewards via token ecosystem based on the NewNet utility token NTX. So this is a really interesting project. Nick and myself, just for clarity, we got into this one on the private sale. It's gone on to do really well so far, but I don't think it's even getting close to where it's likely to go. So yeah, really excited about this one in the future bull market. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions. It's up 12.67% at the time of recording at 0.09085, rank 419th by market cap. Again, really do like this project and expect it to go on to do really well. You can purchase this one from the likes of Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and MEXC. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Let's move on to the third one. So another $200 goes into NewNet. So we're $400 into our $1,000. The next one is Meld. Meld for me is a really interesting project around like banking stack, and again it's around the DeFi aspect of things. It's on the Cardano ecosystem, but they are multi-chain as well. So again, I think this one's going to do really well, but again it's really early, and we need to obviously be aware of that and understand that these things take time. I do think that they're going to have integrations with banks and all that sort of stuff. So for me, it's super early, but a really interesting project, and that's why I'm picking it out. I think that it will do well. It's currently up 4.13% at the time of recording at 0.01832, ranked 2,699th by market cap. A long way for this one to go to sort of get where it needs to be. You can purchase it on MEXC, Bitrue, and MinSwap, SundaySwap, and so forth. So yeah, look. Take a look at Meld. I think you won't be disappointed. Moving on to the fourth, so that was another $200. So we're $600 into our portfolio of $1,000, and that is Lossless is the next one. Seen them recently partner with the likes of Harmony after their big hack. I'm surprised to not see more projects in the crypto space partnering with this particular project. Particularly with the amount of bridge hacks and stuff like that. Lossless can solve a lot of the issues that we've seen plague crypto market, and I think they will. I just think that there's going to be a slow adoption curve to this, but I expect it to happen. So yeah, look, I like this project. Whenever there's a hack that they're involved in saving cryptocurrency from the hackers, this one goes on to do really well and gets a really good spike in price. So yeah, I do expect it to do really well. Currently up 8.45% at the time of recording at 0.2835, ranked 696th by market cap. The ticker is LSS. You can purchase this one from exchanges like KuCoin and Gate.io, just to list a couple for you there. So yeah, another $200 into this one. I'm just going to keep them the same. So we're at $800. We've got the last project on the list, and that is Moonbeam. Again, I think this one's going to do really well. The future is multi-chain. Expand to new chains powered by Moonbeam and Ethereum capable smart contract parachain on the Polkadot ecosystem. So again, this one is one that I think is going to do really well. It's ranked 138th by market cap. The ticker is GLMR. It's at 0.4484 at the time of recording. You can purchase this one from the likes of Binance, KuCoin, and Kraken. So yeah, look, those are the 5 projects that I would invest in if I had $1,000 to invest in crypto today. Those are my super high risk projects that I think have huge potential upside, but this is just my opinion. Like I say, I'm not a financial advisor. Treat this as educational purposes only. Only invest what you're willing to lose. This market is so volatile. There's lots of people that lose money in this space. There's lots of people that make money in this space. The best way to make money in crypto, in my opinion, is to go away, do your own research, and make sure that the projects resonate with you, and that you're not just listening to somebody that's paid to read a script and not telling you. So just be really careful, including us. Don't just buy because we talk about a project. Although we don't do paid promotions, you've got to take my word for that. So on that basis, you should even go do your research when I talk about something as well. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.